There's a lot of people who are also like that the girls will chat them, but I am not chatting anyone. They are the one who chat me, but I never chat anyone to like come here like that. No, I don't. I just let them come here, and if they want to give gift, it's okay. Braveheart, hello. Hi, Steve. What time you're going to sleep, Daddy? If you're going to sleep, I will sleep too. I just opened my live because I know you're going to sleep. And you cannot go to sleep because you didn't see me. Whenever you are ready. Daddy, yo. If you are going ready to sleep, I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to end this. Because I know it's already late in your country. My country is 3:33 in the afternoon and I'm just using it for a nap, a nap. But sometimes I do. Okay, here is 12:33. Ah, still early because I know you sleep very late. You have work tomorrow, no? You don't have. Yeah, that's good. You have a day off. At least today is your day off, Dad. Pechay! Pichay! Pichay ka ba? Daddy, why don't want to apply SVIP? I will let you rest, my dear. Okay. Daddy, why you don't want to apply the SVIP? You can do it. They said if you are SVIP and I will get dirty hands. Oh shit. I like that, Daddy. Daddy, why don't want to apply the SVIP? If you are SVIP, they said you can yeah, I know you can do it, Daddy. Because if they said if you are an SVIP, like for example, I am banned. You can unban me. You can help me. Or in the family, in our family, if there's someone is banned, you can help them too. Yeah. And they said if you are SVIP, you can gift whatever you want and it's free. I don't know. Hi Travis, good day to you. They said you can gift whatever you want. It's only I don't know how much is that. Yeah. You can enroll, you can be an SVIP and you are you can easily unband. Yeah, you are strong that because you can easily unband. I don't know in our family if there's someone is VIP. I I don't know if there is. But in our agency, my agency manager are is VIP because they really need to have a SVIP so that whoever in the member is banned, they can unband. Like for example, also you want to change the Bigo ID, you can change the Bigo ID because you are SVIP like that. So yeah, you need to learn how to do it the SVIP because you're strong and you can do it. It's like how month? 1 month maybe. You learn how to do it. You are very strong. Thank you, Chavez. You can do it, Daddy. You. And your name will be like that. SVIP. There's a name like that. SVIP. Hi, Nick. 60,000 per month. 60,000 per month. Is it, you can do it or no? Because one of my friend before, he is VIP. He's very strong. You know, he can drop a gift that is very good. SVIP need 50,000 dayas maintained per month. 50,000 dayas. 50,000. Because that man, my friend before, 50,000 above. Mine says 60. Mine 60,000. Maybe your is VIP too. But they said you can, if you are SVIP, you can send any gift that you want. Yeah. Yeah, he is living in Canada. He's living in Canada. But if you are living in the Philippines, it's only 50,000. It's really big. It's really a big help also because um how much you going to give, and you keep on buying, recharge. But if you are in SVIP, you don't need to charge because you already paid the 50,000. And then they said you can give unlimited. I don't know if it's true. SVIP too. That one, no, is VIP too. I don't know what's his name. It's not true? Really? So you just pay for 50,000 and you cannot get any diamond? Hi, fan size. I really don't know about it. Unlimited gifts, no. Unlimited gifts, no. Only, like for example, you buy 50,000 for SVIP, but you can consume that 50,000. You can use that 50,000 gift. I need 20,000 more to get SVIP. 20,000. Oh, what's that? Wow, thank you. Uy, how much is that? Sharp bow. How much is that? Thank you. Hi, Skydiver. And he can you the 50,000 days to send gift. It's for you. I thank you. How much is that? Ba't hindi ko nakita? Use, it's for you. Use. And then he can use the 50,000 dayas. That's why he can mine says stop. Mine says top up 70,000 and 65,000 within 30 days. Only for 30 days, he can use the 50K dayas for sending gift. But you're going to pay, di ba? For 50,000.